Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing my college move-in vlog. This is my very last college move-in vlog ever. I'm going to my senior year of college. How? Someone explain to me how? Anyways, I'm moving into my apartment today. I'm currently at my parents' house. I have quite a bit of things to move. I'll show you guys. Please don't judge me. I have all of this and I have all of this. I don't even know what time it is. It's 9:44 a.m. I've already had quite the day, but basically what's going to happen is I have 3 other roommates and they're all out-of-state students and they have all their stuff in a storage unit and they rented a U-Haul. So I'm gonna pack up my little car, help them load up their U-Haul with like all of their stuff in the U-Haul, and then I'm gonna move like what little stuff I can fit in my car into my apartment, and then my stepdad will come later after he gets off work and then he's gonna help me bring the rest of the stuff with the bigger car, because I was considering taking the bigger car but I'm just not strong enough to be able to do most of that, so he's nice enough to help me, so shout out to him. But that is the plan today. I guess we could start loading up my car. Okay, here's my dilemma. I can only fit about 2 of these bins in my car because I just have like a regular small car. So I want to strategize. Like I poorly explained before, we're moving most of my stuff later in the day. So I'm taking a first trip that's smaller. I want to choose bins with things that I can do a lot of stuff with in between waiting to bring the rest of my stuff. So I think I might do my bathroom stuff or my clothes so I can like organize all of that while I'm waiting to move the rest of this stuff. Basically what that means is we have to move all these bins and I am not looking forward to it. I labeled them, which is good. I don't think I want that one. Okay, this might have been a little heavy because everything just fell out. That was fun. Time to clean up the mess. I have an extra bin. I hope that this one won't fall everywhere. I put some of the things from here into this one just so it'll be a little lighter, and then I can just organize it when I move in. Hopefully it doesn't break again because I'll be super embarrassing if that happens in front of people. Back to finding bins. I think I want the bathroom one. I know you're supposed to live with your knees, but I don't know how to live with my knees. These are the 2. These 2. Most valuable MVPs. Before you judge me for being so weak, please remind yourself that I have the muscle of someone who has no muscle. If I angle it, you can like low-key see the cute dog. Zoe! Hello? Aww. You have to move because this will really like hurt you. Now it's time to see what little things I can just like shove into corners of my car. Start with this guy. I'm dripping sweat, but I packed up my car. I fit a lot in there, so there's not too much stuff to bring now. There's still quite a bit. I'm gonna fill up my water and then I'm gonna go meet my roommates and pack up the U-Haul. We're at the apartment and I think I'm gonna check in right now, but I'm kind of confused. First look at my room. Oh, interesting. Little sneak peek. Bathroom. Ah, closet. Is there a light in here? Oh, good. Ooh, I see. Nice. We have a lot to do, but I wanted to see it really quickly. We're opening up the storage unit. I'm scared for this.
You should.
I haven't seen it yet.
It's literally a horrific scene out of a horror movie. Look at the big toe.
You like
on top of everything.
Oh my god.
Remember that one? Like, ah!
Sadness, it happens when you're driving alone. There's nowhere to stop when you're crying. The radio is carrying you home. It's hard to stay focused, so close to the ocean. Let the wind take control. You never will notice.
I'm out of breath if you can't tell. It's so hot outside. I helped all my roommates bring their stuff in. Now I need to bring my stuff in. Can you tell it's hot outside? We just got everything that we have so far. There's only a few things at my parents' house, like my TV and like a mirror, but I'll show you guys what we have. Room tour time. Also keep in mind that I'm on the 3rd floor, so I had to bring up 3 flights of stairs. These are my nightstands. Have all these boxes. What I really want now is water. That's the #1 thing that I want. I always forget how hard moving is. I think my first step is going to be organizing my closet, even though that's kind of like the least productive. This is my closet. It looks bigger on camera, I will say. I'm gonna organize my clothes. I need to find my scissors. I have no idea where anything is at all. No clue. This is not good. I mean, I labeled everything, but I had an open box with scissors in it. I could use the house key. Wouldn't be a bad idea. I was like, is my key still in my door? Is this gonna be like straight butt? I mean, there's not much of one, so nah. Okay, bad news. I already lost the keys for this apartment. Oh, maybe not, maybe not. Nope, yep, I did. I did. If I were keys, where would I be? Okay, what a fail. I need something sharp. We're on mission find keys. Mission failed. Still can't find my key, but I found scissors, so.
Left me, everything around me feels so lonely. And if you ask me if I ever cried, only when I look into your eyes. You couldn't imagine the sadness it happens when you're flying back home.
I found my keys. I'm so happy. Mission accomplished. My camera battery died, so I just put a new one in, but I thought I'd tell you guys like what I was doing. So I love color coding my clothes. I wanted to go even more crazy organization, so I color coded my clothes by neckline. So these tank tops that have higher necklines, these ones have scoop necklines, these ones have like a square neckline, you know the vibe. So normally I just color code all my tank tops together, but I really went for it. I need to do this side still. That took me a minute.
There's nowhere to hide when a stranger complains about who controls the lights. It's hard to stay focused when roses are 30,000.
We finished this side of the closet. I'm watching one of my friend Lauren's vlogs. We have dresses, sweatshirts, jackets, like linens and flannels, oversized t-shirts, bodysuits, and then some pants. And then I have like some business casual things back there. The hanging clothes are done. That's the only thing we finished. I don't know where to put these. Now it's dresser time.
You never would notice.
I don't mean to gross you guys out, but my sweat has literally dried on my face and now it's turning into like powder. My jeans are up here. I have a feeling they will not be staying there. These drawers have turned out to be, you can't tell, this is a bad example. The depth and the width, very knotted, very small. From my wrist to my finger, that's bigger than how tall these drawers are. That one also does not like to close. I have another box of clothes, like not too much, but it's down there. So I'm gonna go into my bathroom because after lifting so much today, I can't do it.
Remember what it felt like when you left me. Everything around me felt so lonely. And if you ask me if I ever cried, only when I look into your eyes. Remember what it felt like when you left me. Everything around me felt so lonely.
This will most definitely not be staying this way. Literally the way that I'm organizing everything and being like, nope, that's not gonna stay like that. Box number 2 of clothes. A lot of things in here are like these boxes. We got box number 2.
And if you ask me if I ever cried, only when I look into your eyes.
I don't know where, but I feel like I have more clothes. We're just gonna put that there for now, but I have one extra drawer, so I can make it work. It might be time for me to move my bed and set up my bed, but I'm scared. Look how much stuff is here. It's a little overwhelming. And I wanna move my bed on this wall. I'm a mess. I'm so hungry too. I just need food. I love it like this. I think it's so cute, and I was afraid that having the bed there would make the room look small, but it doesn't. I mean, like obviously it's not as big, but I think it looks good. These are the nightstands that I ordered, so I need to build them. And then my mattress topper is for a full bed, and this is a queen. I kind of forgot to get one, so let's just hope that this fits, and if it doesn't, then we'll use it until I buy a new one. My camera battery died, but I just finished making this thing. It's from Amazon. And while I was making it, I was like, oh, maybe there'd be a better way to store my jeans. But it's pretty high up. Like, this is my eye level, and it's all the way up there. So, like, even getting something from up here, the second shelf, I would need a stool. Up next, we'll be moving the desk. I forgot what it was called. I'm gonna time lapse you while I listen to more Taylor Swift. It's almost 5 p.m. and I'm quite literally starving. I also haven't eaten anything today, but I thought that I would quickly do a few things to my bathroom and then I will reward myself by getting food. Isn't that lovely? Isn't she lovely? Is that words to a song? I'm afraid this one's gonna be way too big. Yeah, it might. It might be way too big. Oh, no. This has a straight fold in it and won't flatten. This one's all right. I'm sure they'll get there eventually. I'm like, should I switch these? I think I liked it the way it was before. We'll just switch them out again. No big. Shower curtain? Shower curtain. I know this might sound dramatic, but I feel like I possibly could faint. I'm so hungry. I don't remember where I put my shower liner and hooks. Oh, they're in the tub. I'm so smart.
Sometimes it can get rough when you've had enough. I'll be a Don Corleone. When you're feeling down, feeling low, you'll never be alone. Not when you're right, you'll need.
Getting food, thank goodness. See you when I'm no longer feeling like I'm gonna faint. I'm back, I'm bloated, I feel so much better. I'm gonna open my nightstands. I mean, this looks like a pretty substantial box. Praying that they're already built. I have a feeling they're not. Okay, best day of my entire life. Best day of my entire life. I've never been happier. I have a feeling, but I'm not positive. This can't be the right way, but I'm gonna use this saw. Oh, it's upside down.
Oh, I won't see no you and me. Every time we get bad, promise I won't turn my back, even if it takes some time.
I don't know how I'm gonna get this box out of this corner. I didn't think that one through. We have a dilemma. I was screwing this on and there's like a few scuffs on both sides. These were inside here, so you basically unscrewed them. Well, on this side, this part's still on it and then this part like detached from it and you can't open it. And I already unscrewed the side with the string, so I can't figure out how to get it open and this knob is broken, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do. My mom just helped me bring in just the last couple of things that we had. So now we're in the final run, final haul. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. We're gonna start unpacking. This is still broken. That will be a tomorrow problem.
I wanna see you cry. Girl, you need to know life means sometimes that we fight. At least we're sitting side by side.
I moved these around so like the one that looks nice will be shown and then the one, we'll fix it later, but the one that's not as nice won't be shown. This is just like a total mess. Like this is so bad, you guys. Oh my gosh, I need to go through this. I want to put most of these things inside my nightstands. This is overwhelming.
When you're feeling like giving up, when you're running low on love, I'll be the shoulder that you're leaning on. Different and things are missing and you're on your worst day. I don't want it any other which way. And when it gets rough, I promise I'll stay. Oh, my heart beats every time you look.
I really feel like I need to go to a chiropractor after today. My back is killing me. I'll show you guys what I've done. A total mess. The room, horrible. A mess. I did that. That's okay, cute. These, besides like that, cute. I built this, as you guys saw. I thought that I could put like my everyday like skincare products on this because for some reason I thought we'd have like one of those things here and there's no drawers. It'd be kind of annoying to like have to grab something from down here every time. I thought that was nice. We're making progress some. I've done so much, but I also feel like I've done absolutely nothing. Me in my room. I'm also pleasantly surprised about I dropped a razor. I have quite a few razors. I need to get rid of some. I just like keep it in disposable ones. I'm surprised how much like storage space. I thought I would need one of those things right there, which maybe I will, but I don't think I will though. I also finished these drawers, which was really nice. So I have so many pairs of leggings. Again, I feel like that's just not the way that I want it, but I'll deal with it tomorrow. The decor that I'm doing will be a tomorrow project. I kind of have a feeling that it might be a whole separate vlog, so keep that in mind. I think my next project is bringing in these drawers and then filling them up. All the stuff that should be in there is in there. Just don't want to move anything. The desk is so messy, but I feel like that's one of the very last things I need to do today. What is my hair? The amount of bruises that I have on me, I have one on my shin that hurts so bad.
Me even when it gets real bad. Never gonna turn my back, even if it takes some time. Never gonna leave you behind. Girl, you need to know it's life means sometimes that we fight. At least we're sitting side by side.
I'm exhausted. I started organizing this and then I couldn't find some of my organizers. So then I got stressed and then I found them and then I was like, I can't deal with this anymore. I'm gonna end the video because I'm not doing anything else. I'm done for the day. I'll show you guys what I have. Yikes. Also a yikes. So it's coming along. Moving into this apartment was a lot harder than moving into my last apartment. But I hope that you guys like this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe. I love responding to your comments, so comment something. I don't know. Oh, I'm exhausted. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.